Today I'll be unboxing a remote control boat.
What's the name of it?
The name of it is, hold on, Velocity Force1 radio controlled high-speed racing boat.
Let me see it. Show it here, the box. Let me see it. Not too close.
20 miles per hour max speed, high capacity rechargeable battery, powerful high-speed motor, large propeller.
Yeah. So, let me see the back.
Okay, we're gonna open it up. Let's see what we got in here.
Yay.
So we got boats.
You have to remove that one first. What is that for?
Here's an extra battery.
Let me see the battery. How it looks like. You have to show it one by one.
It's a lithium battery.
Box
We got
it.
the remote control. We're gonna have to put batteries in there. And then this one. Here is the boat itself. Small little guy.
That's kind of big. Not small.
So this pops off.
This is worth
like
how
this.
much? We just got it shipped today
We got it on sale
on sale.
for what, $59?
$60, I guess. This is the battery. It looks like.
Okay, so you
So
got
do you need to unwrap this or what, Brand?
what?
This one?
No, you leave it like that.
Oh. How do I know?
Okay, so look at this. This is
What is in there? How can I fit there? I think I can fit there.
this is where the other this is where the battery goes.
I don't.
That's where the battery goes inside here. So
How about the remote control?
the remote control's right here. We have to put batteries in it. So test repairing. The boat must first be in water before pairing.
Must be underwater. We have to try it on the.
I know we're gonna do a video.
Bathtub.
That's the next video. No, it's too powerful for the bathtub. We have a lake right here.
It's stinky there.
It doesn't matter. Okay, so
So this is Force1. It's called Force1. 20 miles per hour maximum speed.
Yep.
High capacity rechargeable battery. A powerful high speed motor.
oh, this whole thing.
Large propeller. Did I say it right? The propeller?
Nope.
Propeller. Ang tangko, ang tigas-tigas. So that's it. Looks like we're gonna try it. At the back, we have a small lake at the back of our building.
Connect the red wire to the power pole.
So there, how it goes. How you put it? There. So you have to put this.
So it goes like this.
Wrap it.
So put this
You have to wrap it.
like this.
Lift the thing. Your hand is in the way.
Well, there's not a lot of room to work with. I'm showing you. So it goes like this in here. Pretty sure like this.
Ang laki naman ang kamay ni Brad.
It's not a lot of room. My hands are too fat.
Kamay na lang yan.
Big hands, not small.
Warning, do not leave battery charging unsupervised. I don't know, maybe you don't know. So these are the instruction, of course. For my husband, knife. He likes knife. He has plenty of knife. I don't know how to fold it. So there you go. He likes to play games. Oh my!
This
You have to
one
wrap it.
needs to go where?
You have to just lay flat on there and wrap it with the snap on.
I think it's on.
Where's the propeller?
Propeller's back here.
Later I'll show it.
I think that's just goes in there.
Ang tagal naman niya. Tagal-tagal ni Brad.
I'm trying to get it so it stays in here good. I don't want it to fly out.
Nakakaintindi pala si Brad ng Tagalog. Alay. I think that one is coming off. It will come off.
This
Or
one
should it
goes
stay?
on here like this. But why is this still on here? We don't need this crap on here.
Brad, you're in the video. Are you serious?
It's taking up space.
So yan, ganyan ang loob. I cannot even show it. He's in a hurry. That's not unboxing anymore.
Yeah, it was. That was unboxed. That's how we do it. I gotta make sure this gets on right because it needs to be sealed.
But you have to show it inside of it. What is in there? What
I showed already.
No, it's not. The other one is not closed.
Hold on. No, I take it like this. Close.
Mas magaling pa akong mag ganyan kaysa kay Brad. Just go.
Close all of it.
Okay, there you go. That's good. Whoa. We're trying it on. Yeah, okay, go. Whoa, that's fast. It's speed. Over here. Whoa. That's fast. Isn't it? Over here. Bring it over here. Ayan na. Over here, Brad. Put it over here. Ayan na. Ayan na siya. Oh, paatras. Ala! Brad. Flip over again, of course. Don't make it too far. Ayan, nabaliktad ang boat ni Brad. Oh my, adala mas done. Just get the thing. Can you get the stick in there? There you go. Up to here. Ang bilis. Like, parang tao. You like it? Oh, that's fast. Not over there. I can't cut it. It's too fast. There's a stick over here. No. Yeah, there. Come over here. Where is it? There we go. Ayan ang laruan ng asawa ko. Mabilis. Ayun siya. Mabilis. do a 8 one? Can you do a 8 one? 8 number 8. And yes. Is it full charge?
No, it's not full charge. So it's gonna be faster than full charge.
Whoa, you almost hit the stick. So we're here. There's the controller. Here's the controller. There you go. It's dark right now.
Fish still like.
Yes, we like it. Ah, it's coming.
No.
What?
Stay out here.
It's cool. It's kind of chilly out now, guys. I'm cold, of course. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Ayan, napunta siya sa... Yeah, no, because we're going
I'm just checking
to
if
stop.
what's the base of that.
It's far. There you go.
Doing good.
Ayan, nilalamig na ako. Over here, go around in here. I'll get a video. I'll get a video slow. Not on this thing. Ayan siya. Slow down. There you go. Namalunod. Nalunod. This is 2. No, not over here. 2. Stuck now.
Watch.
Okay, one last. I'm gonna go in. Whoa. Come over here. Oops! It's almost hit the log over there. The stick.
Log won't hurt that stick.
Because of the propeller. It's the propeller. Yeah. Cool. There's Angel. Angel, how you? It's already late in here. What's the time now, honey? It's 7 something, and it's still bright out. Dito kami sa backyard. Okay, we gotta go now. Can we go now? Okay, one more round and then we go. Yeah, I will make a short video.
Stick. Stick.
Whoa.
You pull it out.
You!
Just pull it out.
You cannot even see him. I already told you not to.
That's why it was going slow. Stick was on you.
I already told you it will hurt. Okay.
Just wait till it dies.
It's getting chilly. Go Cash. Cash. Ay!
Make made it. There's a current in here because of the fountain. You gotta judge the distance. It's like hitting the brakes and reverse it fast.
Let it flow.
Like floor it. Burn out.
Ang layo na. Ang layo dito na. Is it time? Bring it over here. Stick. I gotta go.
Got a lot of power for something so small.
Stop. There you go.
I'm dead though.
That's
I didn't even charge this shit all the way.